What's up guys, this is Alex again. Today I will show you the unboxing video. We have the motherboard, processor, hard disk and memory. Okay, first I will unbox the processor. What I need is a knife. Instruction book, processor, original heatsink, that's put aside, and the motherboard, come with a SATA cable, motherboard itself. Anything else? I/O shield, again an instruction book, and a driver CD. Ooh, nice black. Let's put it back first to wait for the build. And then the next one, the SSD. Nice color. Also include an instruction book inside. Lastly, the Kingston memory. A normal one, no fancy heatsink. Just a simple 8GB DDR4. Also come with some instruction, warranty, also include a DVD drive that easily for me to install Windows. Next one will be the power supply. Okay, I put it aside first, this one. Power supply. It's a heavy one. Seasonic. Okay, come with a warranty card, instruction manual, and some more instruction. Okay, come with a bunch of cable. Power cable and the power supply itself. Fully modular. So that's all for today. The next video will be the 1070. Stay tuned. Peace out.